Welcome back to Car Release TV. Today, we're diving into a machine that's more than just a car. It's a masterpiece of engineering and design. The 2025 Lexus LFA is here, and it's setting a new standard for luxury and performance. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. We've got more exclusive content like this coming your way, and you won't want to miss out. Alright, let's get into it. The 2025 LFA is a rolling sculpture, meticulously crafted with every curve and edge, designed to slice through the air with absolute precision. The front? It's bold, aggressive, and instantly recognizable, featuring sharp LED headlights and that signature spindle grille that practically screams performance. As we move to the rear, you're greeted by a massive diffuser and a retractable spoiler. These aren't just for show. They work to increase downforce and boost high-speed stability. This is more than just a car. It's a statement, a masterpiece on wheels. Underneath, the 2025 LFA's handling is where the magic happens. Thanks to its updated carbon fiber reinforced polymer chassis, this beauty is lighter and more rigid than ever before. What does that mean? It's agile, sharp, and responds like it's reading your mind, whether you're cruising through city streets or carving up mountain roads. But the real showstopper lies under the hood. The 2025 LFA packs a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine. We're talking 700 horsepower. Yes, 700 horses, ready to launch you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. And let's not forget that signature LFA scream. The V10 revs up to 9,000 RPM, delivering a spine-tingling roar that will leave you breathless. With a top speed of over 220 miles per hour, this car doesn't just go fast, it obliterates the competition. Inside, it's a blend of race-inspired design and luxury. Step into the cockpit, and you're greeted with premium leather racing seats, Alcantara finishes, and carbon fiber accents. It's all crafted to make you feel one with the car. And the tech? It's top-notch. You've got a 12.3-inch digital driver display, heads-up display, and a cutting-edge infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everything is designed to keep you connected, both to the car and the road. So, what do you think of the 2025 LFA? It's not just lightning wrapped in luxury. It's the future of high-performance vehicles. If you're ready to see more of the latest in automotive innovation, make sure to stay tuned to Car Release TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.